take the test right now. As always, I'll be taking it at the end of the class. We need just 10 minutes. Okay. So before that, what we are going to do right now, we are going to revise the portion, revise the lesson, and after that, I'll send the link of the test. Okay? Fine. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So, good afternoon once again. So, this story, Tanya Visits Tanali, is about a little girl named Tanya who had a wonderful imagination. And with her rich imagination, she visited a beautiful place called Tanali in her dreams, right? Okay. So the story begins with a conversation between Tanya and her classmate Shivani. As Shivani comes back to school, she says how she enjoyed her Dasara holidays. So, to which place did Shivani go for her holidays? Krishnav? Krishnav Kalesh, unmute your audio. Unmute your audio. Krishnav. Oof. Krishnav, can you unmute your audio? Just a moment. Let me get the response from Krishnav Kalesh. Please unmute your audio. It's taking a lot of time. Agna.
Ma'am,
Yes, what is the answer?
can you tell once more the question?
Where did Shivani go for her Dasara holidays?
In Kulu Manali.
Yes, she went to Kulu Manali. Kulu Manali. Okay. And in which state is Kulu Manali? Huh? In which state? Does anyone remember it? I told many times. Yes, Daros.
Ma'am, Hyderabad.
Ah, your voice is not clear. Where is
Ma'am,
Kulu?
Hyderabad.
No, dear, it's not in Hyderabad.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, Adinath.
Andhra Pradesh.
And not Andhra Pradesh.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Andhra Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Yes, it's in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Anyway, that is not mentioned in this, but you should be remembering this. This is a beautiful place in the northern part of India. So you should be able to know in which state is this place located. Okay, it's in Himachal Pradesh. So Shivani kept telling about the famous temple and a lot of places she had visited there, the food she ate, the hotel she stayed in, and the fun she had. And Tanya just smiled at her classmate, but how did she feel? What was her feeling?
Sad.
Not Agna, Ameya. How did Shivani feel?
Shivani feels sad.
Shivani felt sad
Sad.
and she wanted her to stop her chatter. Okay, now, why did Shivani feel sad? Uh, Bandhan, can you tell the answer? Why did she feel sad? Bandhan is sitting right here in the classroom. So I'm asking him the question directly. Why did Shivani feel sad? Okay, she couldn't go to any place during her holidays. What was the reason? Ah, her parents worked in a, this is the answer that he's telling. Her parents worked in a factory and she couldn't go anywhere. Why? There is one more point to be added. Okay, anyway, Bandhan has given me 75% of the answer. Who can add to that? Yes, Andrea.
Parents worked very hard in a factory and they were not take a single holiday.
Yes, they were not given even a single holiday. Okay, they worked very hard in a factory and they were not given even a single holiday. That is the reason why Tanya couldn't go anywhere for her Dasara holidays and she was very sad. Okay, now, who was the person who supported Tanya? Who was the person who supported Tanya? Yes, Abhinav. Abhinav, you can unmute. Not able to unmute. Siddharth, unmute.
Tanya's elder brother Johan.
Very good. Tanya's elder brother Rohan supported Tanya. He helped Tanya to make her happy. Okay, very good. And what became the magic carpet to go to Tanali? What became the magic carpet? I want Hanna Roshan to say the answer.
Ma'am, red rug.
Okay, red rug from where? From where? Was it bought? Was it a new one? Shravan?
Yes, ma'am.
What became the magic carpet?
Red carpet.
Red carpet, that is what Hanna said. Add some more points to make the answer clearer.
Yes.
Yes, Ashar Beni? Yes, say the answer. From where did they get the red rug?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Why? The response is very slow. Huh? Yes, Dia. Maybe because of the network. I don't know. Yes, Dia.
Room.
From the storeroom. It was an old red rug from the storeroom. An old red rug from the storeroom became their magic carpet. And on that magic carpet, sorry, and on that magic carpet, they flew to their dreamland. That is Tanali. Okay. And she was very excited. The next question, which were the animals that Tanya saw in Tanali? Which were the animals? Yes, Adhika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which were the animals?
Lion and snake.
Very good, lions and snakes. Okay, lions and snakes were the two type of animals that Tanya saw in Tanali. Now, mention the landforms. What are the landforms that Tanya saw in Tanali? Arav, can you give me the answer for that question?
What's the question?
What are the landforms that Tanya saw in Tanali? I want all of you to sit properly in the class. Sit attentively. Because this is a revision after which I'll be sending you the class test link. So listen to the questions carefully or else you will be losing your marks. Okay. To whom did I ask a question right now? Arav, give me the answer. What are the different landforms that Tanya saw in Tanali? You have not read the text. Anna Rose?
Ma'am, jungle.
Yes.
Mountains. Desert. Sea.
Okay, that's all. Mountains, jungles, desert and sea. These were the landforms that Tanya saw in Tanali. Very good. And seeing all this in a single place, how did Rohan feel? What was Rohan's reaction? Yes, Alvina.
Rohan was confused.
Exactly, Rohan was confused, seeing the mountains, desert, jungle, and sea all in one place. Okay, and after that, Tanya smelled and saw the most delicious food in Tanali. What a variety of food did Tanya see in Tanali? Who can give me the answer? What variety food did Tanya? Yes, Isan.
Star,
Yes.
pakodi,
Yes.
led,
Mm.
ladoos,
Ladoos. Mm.
ladoos,
Biryani.
kheer.
Kheer. Very good. Chaat, pakodi, laddus, biryani, kheer. Remember the colorful pictures that I showed you in the last class. Okay. So this was a variety food that Tanya saw in Tenali. And Tanya said that this beautiful place, Tanali, is much better than Shivani's Manali. And she also said that she dashed the world on her magic carpet. What did she do on her magic carpet? What is that word? What did she do on her magic carpet? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Siddharth.
Explored.
Exactly, explored the world on her magic carpet, and she was very happy at the end of the story. She was clapping her hands and dancing around their rut rug. Okay, that's it. So you are going to have the okay, one more question. As Shivani was describing her holidays, Tanya wanted to stop her chatter and she said that she visited a beautiful place called Tanali. And hearing this, Shivani was confused. Shivani asked, Tan, what? And Tanya had to describe about Tanali, but something happened in between which helped Tanya to escape from that place. What happened? What happened? Yes, Ameya.
The school bus come.
Very good. The school bell rang, right? Otherwise, Tanya would have to explain everything about Tanali, and she was not prepared because Tanali was not a real place, right? It was a place of her imagination. So she needs some time to explain about it to her friend. But luckily, fortunately, the school bell rang, and Tanya escaped from there, telling that she will be late for her bus. And she also said that she will tell everything about Tanali the next day. Okay. Now, let's revise the notes that I had given, like meanings, antonyms, and the past tense form. I hope most of you might have at least read the notes. Did you all copy down the notes in your notebook?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, come on, tell me, what is the meaning of the word chatter? Chatter? Who can give me the meaning of the word chatter? Anna? Yes, Advait. Advait.
Think foolishly.
Huh?
Quick talking foolishly.
Yes. Quick, foolish, talk. So, what do you mean by quick? Quick means very fast, and foolish means talking without any sense. Okay. Simply blah, blah, blah. That is foolish talk. Second word, rug. What is a rug, children? Rug?
Carpet.
Yes, a small carpet. Rug is a small
A small
carpet.
carpet.
Carpet. And the next word is confused. Rohan was confused. Now tell me, what is the meaning of the word confused? What do you mean by confused?
Unable to think
Clearly. Yes,
clearly.
Irene Abby, what is the meaning of the word confused?
Unable
Ah, unable, unable to think.
clearly.
Think clearly. Okay, unable to think clearly. That is called confused. And the last word given was explode. Now, what is the meaning of explode? Naila? Naila, what do you mean by explode? Tanya said she explored the world on her magic carpet. Yes, Agna.
Travel through
Ah,
a new
I gave you simpler meaning in the note. I gave you simpler meaning in the note. Who can give me that answer? What do you mean by explode? Yes, Hanna.
Learn new
Huh.
about something.
Yes, learn new
New
about something.
something.
That is called explode. Yes, explode is learn new about something. So these are the 4 words which you have to learn the meanings. Okay, now let's move on to the antonyms. So what are antonyms? Antonyms are opposite words. Antonyms are opposite words.
Word.
What is the antonym of the word possible?
Impossible.
Impossible. Impossible. So we are using the prefix im before the word possible, and that becomes the antonym. Okay. So what is the antonym of late?
Early.
Early. EARLY. Early is the antonym of late. The next one, elder. Elder,
Younger.
younger. So elder means big, younger means small. Rohan was the elder brother of Tanya. And the last word is confident. Confident. Confidence. Okay. So what do you mean by confidence? Huh? What is the meaning of the word confidence? Yes, can anyone give me the? No. Okay, you said the answer, but I want to know what is the meaning of the word confidence. What do you mean by the word confidence? It is not there in the book, nor have I given it in the notes, but I explained it to you. Confidence. Yes, Devananda, tell me.
Diffidence.
Devananda, I asked you what is the meaning of the word confidence. Of course, diffidence is the antonym. But who can give me the meaning of the word confidence? Who knows it? Yes, Hanna.
Able to.
Hmm. What do you mean by? Huh? What is that?
Think clearly.
That is confused, Hanna. You got it wrong. I'm asking you the meaning of the word confidence. What do you mean by the word confidence? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Advait.
Available to think clearly.
No, that's not right. Okay, Daros, you tell me.
And smart.
Okay, something related to it, not completely correct. Siddharth,
Sure about something.
very good. That's a perfect answer. Confidence means sure about yourself. When you're sure about yourself, you believe in yourself. That is called confidence. And diffidence means you're not sure. You don't trust yourself. You don't believe in yourself. That is diffidence. That's the opposite. That is what confidence. Okay, fine. Now, next is the past tense form. What is the past tense of visit?
Visited.
Visited, yes. What is the past tense of allow? Allow, allowed. Yes, allowed. Then, what is the past tense of
Allowed.
create? Create. Created. Created. And what is the past tense of the word see? Saw. Okay, very good. One more word I want to give you. What is the past tense of the word keep? Not keeped. Keeped is wrong. Is the past tense. I have not given it in the notes, but please keep this in your mind. The past tense of keep is kept. Okay, kept. So, we have revised almost all the notes from this lesson, and I hope you'll be able to answer any question given from any part of the lesson. Are you all confident? Yes, now I'm using that word. Are you all confident that you'll be able to answer all the questions from this lesson? Yes? Okay, very diffident. Bandhan is sitting there and telling diffident. He's not confident. That means you have not prepared well. Anyway, I'm not going to give you the meanings or the antonyms or past tense form in this test. That will be included in the next class test. Okay? Today's class test, the questions will be included only from the text, only from the lesson. So if you have, there will be only 10 marks. So if you are thorough with the lesson, you'll be able to answer them confidently. Okay? So please do make use of the word confidently in the right way. Krishnav, can you hear me, Krishnav? You are not able to unmute your audio. Unmute your audio. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, then why were you not unmuting the audio when I asked you the question? When the teachers ask you to unmute the audio, immediately unmute it and respond. Okay? Did you
Okay.
did you read the text, Krishnav?
Yes.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. Where did Tanya's parents work?
In a factory.
Very good, in a factory. And where did Shivani go for her Dashara holidays?
Kulu Manali.
Kulu Manali. Wow, fantastic. And how did Tanya visit Tanali? How did she go to Tanali?
Red. In a red carpet.
Red carpet. And the red carpet became their magic carpet. That was a red rug, right? And who helped Tanya to visit Tanali? Huh? Who helped Tanya? Did her friend take her to Tanali?
No.
Then who took her? Did her father take her?
No.
Then who took Tanya to Tanali?
His brother.
Yes, her brother. And do you remember her brother's name? What was her brother's name? Rohan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Krishna. Anyway, he has studied. I am happy to hear the answers from him. Okay, children. So, shall I send you the link now? Yes? Okay. So, all of you, please close your textbooks, keep it aside, and wait for the link. Read the questions carefully. Please make sure that you don't make even a single mistake. Where did Shivani go for the Dashara holidays? Look at the options. And don't get confused with the names, okay? It's Shivani. Where did Shivani go for the Dasara holidays? Questions 2. How did Tanya feel when Shivani kept on describing her holidays? Very excited, irritated and sad, angry. Where did Tanya's parents work? In an office, in a company, in a factory. How did Tanya manage to escape from Shivani from telling about Tanali? The school bell rang. Her parents came to pick her. Her teacher started the class. What became Tanya's magic carpet? An old red rug, a mattress, a real magic carpet. Who helped Tanya to visit her dreamland? Her younger brother, her friend, her elder brother. Is there anyone who did not receive the link? There is some problem with the network, I guess. Many of the videos are off. Anyway, I'm sending the link once again. So those who couldn't get it, please check your chat box. So we were at question 7. Which animals did Tanya see in Tanali? Dinosaurs and unicorns, lions and snakes, monkeys and rabbits. Rohan was dash hearing that the mountains, desert and sea all are in one place. Confused, delighted, jealous. Tanali is a place of Tanya's dash, dreams, wishes, imagination. And the last question, mention the variety of food that Shivani smelled in Tanali. Look at the options. Read the options for yourself. It might be a bit funny, but never mind, you click on the right option. Evelyn, you're supposed to be in the next batch, right? 3D?
Yes,
Then why you are in this class?
I am there now.
Oh, okay. I don't know why most of the videos are off.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I leave the meeting?
Sorry?
Can I leave the meeting?
Why? Is there any emergency? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Huh? We'll be winding up after 5 minutes, okay? You have to remain. Okay.
Ma'am, I get full mark.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I got 10
Very
of
good.
10.
10 on 10. Okay, congrats, Advait.
Ma'am, I get 10 of 10. Ma'am, I got
Okay.
10 of 10.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, I got
10 on 10. Wow. That's good. I appreciate all those who got 10 on 10. That shows that they are thorough with the lesson. They have listened carefully. They have been attentive in the class. Partha and Sri Parvati. See, children, don't say 10 on 5. You have to write the mark that you got first.
Ma'am,
That by the full mark.
ma'am, I am not ashamed.
That, Partha, what happened? How did you lose the 5 marks after doing all this revision? That shows that you're not thorough with the lesson.
Ma'am, I am not responding. That's why.
Hadika, congrats. Partha Sarthi and Sri Parvati, what happened? Huh? How did you lose 5 marks? That's not a good mark. See, I was discussing all the questions. You people were saying the answers very smartly. If you had listened carefully to the questions and answers, you could have easily scored full marks. Parthasarthi. Ameya, 9 on 10. Okay.
Ma'am, I lose 3 marks.
How can you lose 3 marks?
Ma'am, I got 10 after 10.
Very good, Siddharth. So, congratulations to all those who scored 10 on 10. Others, please learn from your mistakes.
Okay, ma'am.
Small and easy class test, you're not supposed to lose any marks.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
okay,
got
fine.
the 8 after 10.
What happened,
And I
Isan?
got 9 out of 10.
Why, Isan, you lost 1 mark?
2.
You understood the mistake?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good, Irene. Okay, children. So, those who couldn't do, what about Dia? Advay, that is not an excuse not being present in the last class. We are sending the videos of all the classes in the evening, right? So, in any case, when you take leave, you are supposed to watch the videos and then come prepared in the next class. That you have to do. Okay. So, don't bring the excuse that I was not present. Is Rupika in your class?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. It's
Ma'am,
from
I got
3D.
2 marks.
Okay, children. So I'm going to wind up the class. In the next class, you will be having a longer class test. And
Okay,
in that
ma'am.
class test, I'll be including the meanings, the spellings of the new words, the dictation words, as well as the antonyms, past tense, etc. Okay. So please revise the lesson once again along with the notes in the next class. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.